క్లాస్ మీరేమనద్దు సరేనా మ్యాథ్స్ చాప్టర్ నేమ్ ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్ సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్లో హోల్ నంబర్స్ న్యాచురల్ నంబర్స్ ఇంతకుముందు మీరు నేర్చుకొని ఉన్నారు అవును అయితే మీకు ఏమని చెప్పినా ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ మొత్తం ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తాను వినండి వర్డ్స్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి సరేనా ఫస్ట్ మనము ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ we should learn about natural numbers natural numbers natural numbers also called as counting numbers then tell me natural numbers start from 0 1 2 3 is wrong what I told you counting numbers right counting numbers means the numbers we count right tell me how many characters are there 5 from where did you start counting did you start counting from 0
No.
Will you start from 0
No.
1 no 1 right
1.
then counting numbers means it will start from
1.
it will start from 1
1.
it will start from
1,
2 3 4
5, 6, 7, 8.
infinity till last number we don't know the last number right now tell me this is natural number spelling right tell me once natural
Numbers.
tell me the spelling n
N
a
A T U R A L. Natural
okay
numbers.
this natural starts with
N.
n right
N.
then natural numbers shows with n
With N.
natural numbers represents with n
N.
represents with
N.
right all the natural numbers are positive what all the natural numbers are positive
Positive.
right positive numbers these all are positive numbers right
Positive number.
there is no minus
No.
there is no minus again there is no zero in natural numbers is there zero in natural numbers no why because we don't start counting with zero right we start counting with 1 2
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
like this we will count right then tell me who found zero Aryabhatta who found zero who found zero
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta now tell me listen carefully now tell me there are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so on numbers we have if I add 0 here you learned this in your 6th class if you add 0 here
Yes.
what will become it will become whole numbers what
Whole.
it will become
Whole numbers.
what numbers
Whole numbers.
whole numbers tell me
Whole numbers.
whole numbers right now whole number starts with 0
Zero.
whole number starts with
0.
whole number starts with
0.
0 now whole numbers represents with
W.
capital W which W
Capital W.
it is capital N
Capital N.
whole number starts with
0.
0 and whole numbers represents with
Capital
W
W.
now tell me see if I leave this 0 Okay, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, right? These are what? Counting numbers. What? Counting numbers. Counting numbers means natural numbers.
Natural
right?
numbers.
Natural
Number.
numbers. Natural numbers represents with
N.
N, right? Capital N. If I add 0 to natural numbers, what it will become? It will become whole number.
Whole number. Whole number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are natural numbers.
All are natural numbers.
If I add 0 to natural numbers, what it will become? Whole numbers. What it will become?
Whole number.
Whole numbers represents with
Capital W.
capital
W.
Very good. 0 plus n is equal to capital W. Means if we add 0 to the natural numbers, it will become whole numbers. Capital W. Whole numbers. Okay. Now tell me, what is our chapter? Chapter name is integers.
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 Now tell me, now we have what we have? N means natural number.
Natural numbers.
It is 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
right?
Right.
These all are positive.
Positive.
These all are positive numbers, right?
Right.
Positive
Numbers.
numbers. Now it is W. What is W?
Whole numbers. Whole.
Whole numbers. What should we add to natural numbers? 0. What should we
Zero.
add?
Zero.
It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on.
S.
Okay?
S.
Now what is integers? Integers. Okay?
Integers.
Integers. Integers means now we have 0. Okay? We have
Zero.
0 and positive numbers, right? Positive numbers. Okay? 5, 6. Now integer also have negative numbers. What? Negative numbers.
Minus
Negative
one.
means minus 1,
1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5.
Okay.
Okay.
See here. Now we have whole numbers, right? Whole numbers means what?
Left.
0 plus natural numbers.
Natural.
Yes. Again, what we added to integers?
Minus 1.
Minus negative numbers. What?
Minus.
Negative numbers plus negative numbers. It is equal to integers.
Integers.
Okay. Natural numbers means counting numbers. It starts with 1.
1.
Okay. Natural number starts with where?
1.
Whole numbers means
0.
0. Starts with 0.
Zero.
If we add 0 to the natural numbers, we get the whole numbers.
Yes.
Okay. Next you see, integers means if we add negative numbers to the whole numbers. Whole numbers means 0 and natural numbers. If we add negative numbers.
Negative
okay,
number.
Minus numbers.
Minus.
What it will be? Integers. What it will be? Integers. What it will be? Integers. Integers represents with I and Z. What beta?
I and Z.
I and
Z.
మీరు I అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. You remember only I. Okay?
I.
No problem. Okay, beta. See, this is what? Integers. See, once again I will tell you. Okay, tomorrow we will learn how to represent integers on number line, how to represent natural numbers on number line, how to represent whole numbers on number line. Okay? Understood?
Yes.